In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to hide and unhide properties in Notion. The purpose of hiding and unhiding properties in Notion is to provide users with more control over the visibility of specific information within a database or a table view. It allows you to customize the display of data, making your workspace cleaner and more focused on the essential information. In this table, I have four properties and I want to hide the status property. To hide a property, hover on the top right corner of the table and click the three dots. Click Properties. There's a Hide All option here, but you can also hide them individually by simply clicking on the eye on the right of each property. To unhide, just click the eye again. Remember that hiding a property doesn't delete the data associated with it. It simply makes it temporarily invisible in the current view. If you switch to another view or unhide the property, the data will be readily accessible again. If this video helped, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe.